got a baby that we don't know about. Thinks that she's famous, miss about to show out. Bang in the back, she need a blowout. Lacking in the back, she need a workout. Sis over there looking all wore out. This little Abby edge is all ball out. This is your warning, Binks, you better watch out. 14 years old, calling y'all all out. YouTubers are old, this is y'all knockout. Watch a new family, it's a block out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This hat gonna get on my nerves today. Okay. You gonna do it?
Wait, what are we doing? Nothing?
Yeah, new.
At 1, 3.
Wait, my hair.
3, 2, 1.
And we're back, Nunu Gang.
And today we're eating Chick-fil-A mukbang.
Wait, I gotta make sure to say Chick-fil-A. Last time I said it McDonald's.
Into that clip.
Just got McDonald's to start our day. I feel bad about eating bread.
Yeah.
Oh, insert that clip. Just got McDonald's.
What?
To start our day.
Anyway, so
Ha ha.
It's not food.
I hate licking my lips with this crap on.
Oh, you don't have your lip gloss to go with?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I'm playing with them today. So, what I got?
You got
Chicken biscuit.
vanilla iced coffee, 5 sugars. You got chicken sandwich biscuit. And you got yogurt. Yogurt. I got orange juice and 4 chicken sandwiches, meat sandwiches. And I got a fruit bowl.
Oh, you got hook one? I got yogurt.
I knew it. Having steak out outside of Hobby Lobby.
Right.
So delicious!
Oh, that's my
Here, granola.
See, my son is already like, chicken, no.
My son was like that the other day.
Really? I be like, what is going on? What's wrong with you?
It wants it, but then it doesn't want it.
My mind want it.
But my stomach doesn't like,
Can I get a spoon? It just freaks me out how like
your body rejects things. Like when you pay attention to it, your body legit rejects what it doesn't want or doesn't need.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, if we just pay attention to that, we'll always be in good health. Because I know it's been times that I knew my body didn't like food, but I'll be like, I'm going to eat that.
Mm-hmm.
But this go around, it's just like, my body's like, not at all.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I ain't even playing with you. It's more so like, eat it. I dare you. Do it. Go ahead.
Okay.
Bet.
Oh, okay. Okay. And then a few seconds after you eat it, you're like,
Within seconds, literally.
mm-hmm. Then you'd be like, my stomach. I feel like I'm dying. I don't want juicy, sweet things.
I know I've been craving coffee. But I forgot what morning it was. I drank that coffee.
Oh, it was not yesterday, but the day before yesterday.
Yeah. My stomach was like, I had to log out from work.
I remember.
I thought my stomach was going to come out of my body. Not like that, y'all. I mean, that it just hurt so bad. I gotta be careful with these conversations. Because I be forgetting sometimes. And then I already say what's on my mind.
Yeah. I think mentioned the job keeping like make sure I eat what I want to eat, but not like if it's super bad. Like if I can let myself have a little bit bad, but
You've been very good at that. Like from the beginning.
I was.
Well, I mean, after you finally made up your mind what you wanted to eat, you've stuck to it. Before you used to eat everything.
Yeah.
But now you're like, Even if we eat, you're like,
I remember I did do that.
Even when I be like, you better eat that food, you be like, I go hungry. And now I understand what you're going through. It's like, yeah, no.
I ain't gonna be watching y'all. My stomach tore up.
It's not even that my stomach get like that. It's just like a pain in my body where I can just feel like my body is legit rejecting the food.
I don't know.
That was scary. I was like, what's wrong with me?
It's your body trying to cleanse it out of its system. It's like, I'm not keeping this in. I gotta go.
Because when I looked at my veins, after just doing what my body asked, they were so healthy. I'm like, I ain't seen my veins like this unless I'm on a strict diet and I'm working out. But being that I ain't been on a strict diet and I ain't been working out, I was like, my body is naturally fleshing itself.
Yeah.
You done?
I was in my drink, but my food's gone.
Why you don't want to know?
I guess it's still like, for me, I still like the idea of surprise, you know?
You're going to be surprised.
I know that.
You're going to be shook to your core.
I'm shaking my boots.
You'll pass me a napkin? Thank you, Mom. Y'all, we just sitting outside.
Hobby Lobby, I think.
Yes, like we ain't got nowhere to be. Well, we don't have nowhere to be. Think
We're
about
just
it.
like cruising.
We gotta be in Hobby Lobby is where we gotta be.
Yeah. So we're waiting till 9 o'clock when they open. And I don't know what time it is.
Well, when I looked at it, it was like 8:25.
So we got a few minutes. Okay.
And it's been on. How long has it been on?
Yeah.
You want to close this out?
Yeah. Well, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. The mukbang with me and my mom. And I'll see you guys.
That was me. I was looking like.
Yeah.
What's she doing?
And I'm like, who is it? Make sure you like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like. And don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when we post a video. And we'll see you guys next vid. Bye, Nanny Gang.